Hello everyone, Daisy here with another Christmas card lift, the series that I'm doing with Jennifer, who is Kay's mom on YouTube and on Instagram, and we are card lifting, not scrap lifting, this adorable card. And I don't know who created it actually. I'll have to look that up and then I will try to include a link down below. But anyhow, these are just so stinking cute. So I decided to kind of go the easy route. And so I used a pencil and I drew out kind of my reindeer. And I forgot to add the ears, but that's okay. And so then I just used my Tombow Mono Multi and followed along my lines and then put down some twine. And then I added a red sequin for Rudolph's nose and then drew in my own little eyes. And then I stamped the sentiment, which is Happy Holidays, using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And now I'm going to create the little pieces that are hanging from his antlers. So it looks like it's sequins hanging from his antlers in the original one, and I am also going to use sequins. So I have these trees that are from Spiegel Mom Scraps from one of their new pigment kits, and this is actually the Daisy kit. It's named after me. And yeah, they're just beautiful, and you can't really tell, but they're like mirrored little trees. And so I'm using some silver thread and going through these sequins on the bottom part. And I didn't tie my knot big enough, so I had to go through and add a sequin to this one, but then I changed the way I do it going forward. So I go through the bottom hole of the tree, and then I add a big green sequin to the tree, tie a knot at the top of the thread, and then stick the tree down with a glue dot. So some of that was done off screen. And this is a pretty quick video because, I mean, that's it. So I do that. I did make 4 different cards, and they're all just a little bit different because I drew the little heads differently, and I choose different things to have dangling from their antlers. But I think they are so cute. Like, these might be my favorite cards that we made this year. For our card lift series. I'm really, really happy with how these turned out. So I can't wait to send these out to some people. But yeah, if you haven't already, head on over and check out Jennifer's card. I'm sure, I haven't seen it yet, but I'm sure it's adorable. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a chance, leave a comment, and I would also greatly appreciate if you subscribe. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this and our series in general, and I will see you again next time. Bye!